'Tis the season for giving, and we've got the perfect Christmas gift boxes to spread joy this holiday. Introducing our specially curated boxes for the automotive enthusiast and the home sweet home lover. Rev up the festive spirit with our automotive Christmas gift box, packed with premium goodies to pamper your ride and delight any car enthusiast. Our automotive Christmas gift box comes with one 1.76 ounce tube of Flitz Paste Polish, one 1.7 ounce spray bottle of Flitz Ceramic Sealant, one 16 ounce spray bottle of Flitz Speedy Seal, one 3-inch buff ball, two 12 by 12 inch microfiber cloths, and three 4-inch polishing bonnets. Let's bring the festive cheer indoors with our household Christmas gift box, thoughtfully curated for the cozy home lover who appreciates a sparkling space. Our household Christmas gift box comes with one 3.4 ounce bottle of Flitz faucet wax, one 3.4 ounce bottle of Flitz liquid polish, one 16 ounce bottle of Flitz stainless steel and chrome cleaner, one 16 ounce bottle of Flitz granite and glass protectant, two 12 by 12 inch microfiber cloths, and three 4-inch polishing bonnets. Our Christmas gift boxes are the perfect way to make this festive season shine and sparkle. Merry Christmas from all of us here at Flitz.